Missed appointments and last-minute cancellations not only lead to frustration, but also result in lost revenue. With the simplicity of customer communication through WhatsApp, this will soon be a thing of the past. Our appointment manager automation allows you to remind your customers of upcoming appointments on time and gives them the freedom to easily confirm, reschedule, or cancel. And with our automation template, it's done in just a few clicks. To access the template, select the Customer Support and Service category from the template gallery and then the template titled Appointment Manager, Confirm, Reschedule or Cancel Made Easy. Here a pop-up will open and you can see the template in action and even try it out yourself via the QR code. To use it for yourself, click the button at the bottom left. Now the Automations Builder will open and you'll see the automation already fully built for you. Additionally, there is a note element to the left of the automation that shows you what you can use the automation for and how to set it up. We'll go through these steps together now. First, you need to select your WhatsApp account as the communication channel in the first node. In the next node, you'll define which action should be taken. It's important to note that this automation only works with one of the three integration options: Zapier, Make, or the public API. You need to send a WhatsApp template with the desired options as quick replies. Through the integration, we can recognize these options and incorporate them into the automation. Once the keywords are matched, the flow will proceed to one of the three branches. If the appointment needs to be rescheduled or cancelled, the conversation will be assigned to an employee in the last node. Here you need to specify how this assignment should occur and who the potential employees are. And that's it. The automation is now ready. You can rename it as you like or activate it directly via the button at the top right. Once a customer receives the template with the appointment confirmation, they can choose one of the available options and the flow will start automatically.